Hey, I'm Jason Minton with Taranis, and I'm here at the Syngenta and Taranis booth, and we're talking to farmers and retailers about what Taranis provides as a solution. So Taranis, if you think about it, is drones, software, and AI. And what we do is we take leaf level, 0.3 millimeter resolution imagery of every single acre of a farmer's field, and we show them exactly every threat that's out there. And we don't just do it with magic, we actually use AI. So because we take 0.3 millimeter resolution imagery, it allows us to use AI on the imagery to assess the image and find any threat that's out there that exists for that farmer. And it's a yield limiting factor today that they may not be aware of because we're looking again at every single acre. So once Taranis is done doing that, we've looked at the imagery. We use AI in another way. We actually use a language model to make a recommendation about what might be done on the field, what potentially caused the problem in the field, and give farmers and retail advisors some insights into what they might be able to do to, again, protect that yield and give farmers the profitability that they need and they deserve. So AI can be intimidating, right? There's a lot of noise about AI in the industry, but the good thing is you don't have to know AI, you don't have to learn AI. Taranis is already doing it, and we're bringing it to your fields on every single acre. So if you want to learn more, for more information about Taranis, you can visit Farms.com. There's a wealth of resources there that can show you exactly how the system works and exactly what we can do to help identify those yield limiting factors and show you every single acre of your field at a leaf level with 0.3 millimeter resolution.